friends, I'm Teju. Welcome back to our channel Happy Topics by Teju. Have you ever wasted your precious time while searching for a document when you wanted it? Have you ever searched for a warranty card for a home appliance service and ended up looking all over the house? Yes, we all have experienced these situations in our daily life. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna help you how to organize your documents at home in an efficient way to avoid hassle while finding them. Before starting the video, I would suggest you to choose a time when you're free over the weekend or on a holiday to dedicate an hour or two to organize your paper clutter. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the step-by-step procedure. Step number 1. Purchase few document organizers and folders in a local market or buy online. Link to these products are mentioned in the description below. Investing in these organizers will be helpful in future to save your time and energy. Along with these organizers, you also need few stationery items like staplers, sticky notes, marker and pins. Step number 2. Make a list of all documents that you have at home category wise like certificates, ex-job documents, medical reports, bank documents, vehicle papers, etc. Here is the list for reference. Step number 3. Gather all your papers together at one place. Choose a comfortable space like dining table, bed or sitting on floor works too. Now gather papers from all parts of your home like handbags, wallets, storage boxes, table drawers, etc. Step number 4. Sort all the papers as per the category. By using sticky notes, categorize all piles. Now take each paper and see it whether it is useful or not. Staple them if required. Sort them as per category and all the unnecessary papers will go into trash. This is a tiresome job, so please be patient and seek help from your family members and finish the task in one go. Step number 5. File all sorted papers into folders. Once we are done with sorting all documents category wise, now let's start putting these sorted documents in separate folders for easy access. Let's start with certificates, ex-job documents and Xerox copies. All these important certificates like educational, marriage, etc. will go into this expandable folder. Sort and staple if required. All the ex-job documents, resume, etc. put it in separate leaflets so that it will be handy whenever you need them. Keep Xerox copies available all the time so that we don't have to rush to a Xerox center when we need them immediately. Using this leaflet to store the Xerox copies of all certificates, ID proofs, etc. And now label the folder with categories for easy identification. Now let's move on to the bank documents, medical reports and vehicle documents. All the financial documents are sorted and organized in this expandable folder. All the medical reports, hospital bills, prescription, x-ray, etc. are arranged in this section of the folder. All the vehicle related documents like insurance, registration, annual maintenance, papers, etc. are kept in the same folder and neatly labeled. Moving on to the next category. For all the other bills and papers, using this colored documents holders to organize them. All the user guides and manuals of home appliances gadgets are stored in this document holder and neatly labeled so that you can get help with appliance usage. I am using this document holder to store warranty cards of all the appliances, gadgets, etc. which we own, so that it is easy to find them for future services or maintenance. Using this folder to store all purchase bills and other miscellaneous bills. All the bills of household utilities like electricity, gas, internet, TV subscription, etc. will go into this document organizer. Now let's move on to this passbook holder. Using this expandable and compact passbook holder to store all the passbooks, checkbooks, passports, gas book, photocopies for easy access. Next comes this mini portable card holder where all the cards like credit, debit, shopping card, ID proofs, licenses, etc. are stored for convenience. Step number 6. Make a dedicated space for the files. Now let's see how I have organized all the document holders in the dedicated space in the bottom drawer of our work desk. I have placed these two pull-out folders. In the first folder, I have put all my planners and journals. In the second folder, I have put passbook holder, portable card holder and ID cards in this box. Next to this, I have put all these colored document holders and these two expandable folders. Always have an empty and ready to use document holder to put the required documents while you travel. Yeah, I understand sorting and organizing documents is a tiresome job. Here is a tip. Place an empty pouch anywhere in your home to store all the bills and papers from that week. Once in a week over the weekend, empty the pouch and put them back in their designated places. And that's it, you will have a good system to get rid of the paper clutter. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Also, please click on the bell icon to get notifications of the next video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for the video updates and other interesting content. See you again. Bye bye.